10 paraan para magbago ang buhay mo sa loob ng isang taon. Welcome to the Change for the Better. Ito ang channel na magpapaalala sa iyo ng tunay na success sa buhay. Pwedeng magbago ang buhay mo sa loob lang ng 12 buwan. Pero kailangan mo ng disiplina, tamang mindset, at consistent na aksyon. Kung pagod ka na sa paulit-ulit na cycle, eto na ang simula ng bagong chapter mo. Una, mag-set ng malinaw na goals. Ang hindi alam ang pupuntahan kahit saan dinadala ng buhay? Why? Clear goals equals clear results. Specific goals, makapag-ipon ng 50,000 piso by Disyembre. Create direction and urgency. How to do it? Use SMART goals, which means specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time-bound. Gumamit ng goal planner, notebook, or digital app. Ilista ang daily, weekly, and monthly milestones. Pangalawa, gumising ng mas maaga. Winners wake up early. Why? More time equals more opportunities to grow. Mornings are mentally quiet, distraction-free, and energizing. How to do it? Simulan sa 15 minuto, bago ang bawat 3 araw. Gumamit ng alarm na hindi nakaka-stress. Nature sound, soft music. Use mornings to read, reflect, plan your day. Pangatlo. Magbasa ng isang libro kada buwan. Readers are leaders. Why? Books compress years of wisdom into a few hours. One good idea from a book can change your habits, mindset, or career path. How to do it? Start with 10 pages per day equals 1 book per month. Magbasa ng topics on finance, business, mindset, or health. Pang-apat, bawasan ang screen time. Don't consume too much. Start creating. Why? Time spent scrolling on social media can be used for learning, earning, or resting. You're trading time with no return on investment. How to do it? Set screen limits sa phone. Replace phone time with creative activities, writing, cooking, reading. Ask, may napala ba ako sa 2 oras ko sa TikTok today? Pang-5, matutong mag-budget. Ang hindi marunong mag-budget, laging kapos kahit malaki ang kita. Why? Budgeting gives you control and awareness. You can't grow what you can't manage. How to do it? 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings or investment. Track every peso for 30 days using notebook or app. Identify money leaks. Grab food, online shopping, etc. Pang-anim, paligiran ang sarili ng growth-minded people. Your circle affects your ceiling. Why? You become like the people you spend most of your time with. Positive, goal-oriented friends pull you up. How to do it? Join Facebook groups or communities with similar goals. Listen to podcasts or YouTube creators that inspire growth. Distance from toxic, gossip-focused circles. Pang-7, pangalagaan ang kalusugan mo. Walang saysay ang tagumpay kung hindi ka healthy. Why? Your energy, clarity, and consistency all depend on your physical health. Burnout kills dreams. How to do it? Walk for 20 to 30 minutes a day. Hydrate well. 8 to 10 glasses of water. Sleep at least 7 hours. Eat more whole foods, less processed ones. Pang-8, matuto ng high-income skill. Ang kaalaman ay puhunan. Why? A single skill like freelancing, copywriting, or video editing can double or triple your income, even if you're working from home. How to do it? Watch tutorials on YouTube, free. Join free courses, TESDA, Coursera, Skillshare. Practice daily. Skill stacking builds long-term advantage. Suggested skills. Social media marketing, graphic design, Canva, copywriting, video editing, CapCut VN, Pang-9, practice gratitude daily. Ang puso na marunong magpasalamat ay laging busog. Why? Gratitude reduces stress and increases joy. It trains your mind to focus on progress, not lack. How to do it? Every night, write 3 things you're grateful for. Magdasal ng pasasalamat kahit simple lang. Reframe challenges into growth opportunities. Pang-10, huwag lang magplano. Gumalaw ka na. Knowledge is potential. Action is power. Why? Plans don't change lives. Action does. Even imperfect progress is better than overthinking. How to do it? Start with the 7-day action challenge. Don't wait to be ready. Move while you're scared. Track progress weekly. Not perfection, but momentum. A year from now, pwedeng ibang-iba na ang buhay mo. Ang tunay na pagbabago ay dumarating sa mga simpleng habit na ginagawa araw-araw. Bawat araw ay investment sa future mo. What you do today is who you become tomorrow. Mag-like kung gusto mong magbago ang buhay mo. At mag-comment sa comment section ng "Simulan ko na to ngayon." Mag-subscribe for more Tagalog motivation and life tips.